So you have a OnePlus 8T phone and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though it's a black screen, you know that the phone is still on. Maybe you can feel it vibrate, maybe you're getting phone calls, maybe you can hear your notifications come in, or maybe you can still see LED lights popping on from notifications. Anyway, your phone is on, it's just that the display will not turn on. I'm gonna give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. First thing is take note that this phone is actually working, but let's just pretend I have a completely black screen here, okay? So first thing is this, what we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and restart it by using two buttons here. We're gonna press and hold the volume up and power button. You wanna press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see the OnePlus logo appear and then let go. We'll do it together, okay? Volume up, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Let's pretend the screen is totally black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding on to these two buttons, the volume up and power button, just waiting for that OnePlus logo to appear. There it is. Go ahead and let go. And now hopefully wait for this to boot back up, and hopefully you are back up and running. If you're not, if the screen is still black, we're going to go to the next solution. Okay, so for this next solution, first thing I want you to do is the power button here and the volume rockers. What I want you to do, starting off with the power button, I want you to press in and out a bunch of times, okay? Because what can happen if it's stuck or jammed or there's like lint or lotion in there, hand lotion or something like that, it can cause a black screen as well. So keep doing that, get it nice and loose. And also the volume rockers here, you want to do the same thing, okay? The up and down, just get it nice and loose there. Then after you do that, go ahead and grab your charging cable, and I want you to plug your phone in, and I want you to give it power, okay? Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and restart it using the buttons here while it is charging, okay? So let's do it again. Volume up, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops, we'll do it again. Ready? Volume up, power. 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Pretend my screen is totally black here. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding onto those two buttons again, the volume up and power. Just holding, waiting for the OnePlus logo to appear, praying that it appears. There it is. Go ahead and let go, and hopefully you are now up and running. Now, if you're still down, we're going to go to the third step. For the next one here, you can go ahead and unplug your phone. And what we're going to do here is what I call the tapping method. What we're going to do is we're going to use two fingers. We're going to hold the phone like this, and we're going to tap all over the front, all over the screen, as well as on the back. A lot of times, something can be slightly dislodged somewhere, and a couple taps will bring it back. So with your screen like this, I want you to start tapping like this, kind of hard, okay? A lot of times when you're doing this, all of a sudden you might see like white lines, or your screen may even just pop right back on. So just keep doing this all over, okay? Give it nice taps all around the lens up here, all in the corners. See if your phone is turning on or any glitches or anything. Now, go ahead and turn it over and do the same thing back here. Just tap everywhere on the back. Do it kind of hard, even on top of the camera lenses here. Just keep on tapping. Look over, see if your screen is on or has like white lines or anything. If it's still black or if the screen is just not on, now from here, do the same thing, okay? Remember, you want to restart it using volume up, power. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see the OnePlus logo. Then go ahead and let go, okay? Hopefully you're back up and running. Now, if you're still down, we're going to go to the next step here. So the next step here is what we're going to do is what I call the massage method. Why? Because we're going to go ahead and massage the screen in the back, okay? So we're going to go ahead and start. You can go ahead and get a cloth or a paper towel if you don't want to get your screen all smudged up. But basically what I want you to do is hold the phone like this with two hands and two thumbs. What I want you to do is massage it like this and just kind of press in kind of firmly. Also, FYI, I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your phone, so do everything at your own risk. So just keep doing this. And as you're doing this, sometimes you'll see some glitches on the phone, or sometimes the screen will pop on as well. Sometimes you hear a little click, and then the screen will pop on as well. And I'm pushing the back too. Press massage all over, and then do the same thing on the back, okay? Go ahead and just press in, all in the back, all in the lens too, all around the edge of the camera lenses here as well, all in the corners, okay? Turn around, see if your screen is on. If it's not, then from here we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to go ahead and restart it. Volume up, power button. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until you see the OnePlus logo. Then go ahead and let go. Hopefully you guys are up and running now. If you're not, we're going to go to the next step here. So the last step I have here before you try to do a factory reset is what I call the SMAC method. Why? Because you want to smack the phone. Simply go ahead and grab your hand, put your palm out like this, and you can start off on the it doesn't matter what side you start off with, but just go ahead and give it a couple whacks and kind of look at it. See if your screen's popping on. Also go on the bottom here. Give it a couple smacks. See if your screen is on. And if it's not, then we're going to proceed to the back, okay? Go ahead and tap the back, the bottom back. Screen is still not on. Let's pretend it's still black. Then from here, do the same thing. You want to go ahead and restart it. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until the OnePlus logo appears. When it does, then go ahead and let go. Now the thing is, if you guys tried all of these steps and you're still down, what I want you to do is start from step number 1 again and try every single step again. If you're still down, try it 3, 4, 5, even 8 more times, okay? And if you guys did it at least 8 times, I'm gonna say at least 85% of you guys should be up and running right now. So if it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know which step or which combination of steps you think worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. Good luck.